Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. After months of speculation, we finally have official confirmation about the highly anticipated DJI Mavic 4 Pro. Drone enthusiasts and professionals alike have eagerly awaited details about this cutting-edge drone, and now the wait is almost over. The official launch is just around the corner, and new leaks have revealed exciting upgrades, enhanced features, and some intriguing additions to the Mavic series. In this detailed breakdown, we'll explore the final product design, key specifications, and when you can expect to see the Mavic 4 Pro officially unveiled. DJI Mavic 4 Pro release date. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is set to launch this spring, with a confirmed release date of April 20th. According to reports from Drone XL, leaked promotional images provide a first look at DJI's latest innovation. The new images confirm that the Mavic 4 Pro is set to be the most advanced cinema drone in DJI's consumer lineup. Over the past few months, numerous alleged videos and images have surfaced online, fueling speculation about the drone's beta testing phase. Now that we have an official render, we can confirm some long-awaited upgrades that are bound to excite drone enthusiasts. Design and structural improvements. One of the most noticeable upgrades in the Mavic 4 Pro is its redesigned aerodynamic propeller system. The new design incorporates a quick-release disc on top, enhancing airflow and preventing dust and moisture from interfering with the motors. DJI has also added structural reinforcements, such as new rubber bumpers on all four arms and a small rubber foot at the drone center to improve landing stability. These adjustments enhance the drone's durability, reducing wear and tear over time. Another key upgrade is the implementation of a next-gen LiDAR sensor for precise obstacle detection. The right arm of the leaked image features a sensor similar to the one found in the DJI Air 3S. This addition greatly improves nighttime and low-light navigation, helping pilots avoid obstacles in complex environments. Enhanced obstacle sensing is a major advantage for professionals who require precision when capturing cinematic aerial footage. Enhanced camera system. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to feature a next-generation Hasselblad-branded camera system with a triple-camera setup. Here's what to expect. Main camera. 4 of 3 CMOS sensor with electronic ND filters, providing superior image quality and dynamic range. Medium telephoto lens. 50mm equivalent. Ideal for mid-range shots. Long telephoto lens. 166mm equivalent. Offering extreme zoom capabilities without compromising image quality. For cinematographers looking to elevate their aerial photography, this camera system is a game-changer. The ability to switch between different focal lengths allows for greater creative flexibility, making it easier to capture cinematic shots from various perspectives. Extended battery life and performance. Battery life is a crucial aspect of any drone, and DJI has significantly improved this feature in the Mavic 4 Pro. According to reports, the drone will boast an impressive flight time of at least 50 minutes, without the intelligent flight battery. This extended battery life will be invaluable for professionals working on complex shots or large-scale projects, reducing the need for frequent battery swaps. Pricing and availability. With the launch date approaching, industry insiders speculate that the Mavic 4 Pro will be priced at around $2,800. While this may seem like a significant investment, the drone's advanced features, including the triple camera system, aerodynamic upgrades, extended flight time, and intelligent obstacle detection, justify the cost. DJI is setting a new standard for consumer-grade cinema drones, making this model a top-tier choice for aerial cinematography. Additional Mavic 4 series variants. Another exciting aspect of the Mavic 4 Pro launch is that DJI is not just releasing one model but 3 different variants in the Mavic 4 series. Additionally, a special cinema edition will be introduced, specifically designed for high-end aerial cinematography. This move solidifies DJI's commitment to catering to the needs of professional filmmakers and drone pilots. What's next for DJI? Beyond the Mavic 4 Pro, DJI is rumored to be working on additional drone innovations, including the highly anticipated DJI Mini 5 Pro. Leaks suggest the Mini 5 Pro will feature a 1-inch camera sensor, representing a major improvement over its predecessor. This upgrade could enhance low-light performance, dynamic range, and overall image clarity. Social media creators will benefit from the Mini 5 Pro's vertical shooting capabilities, making it an excellent choice for TikTok and Instagram content. DJI Mini 5 Pro. Key rumored features. Larger 1-inch sensor for improved low-light performance and enhanced image quality. extended flight time of up to 50 minutes, significantly improving usability, omnidirectional obstacle detection for better navigation in complex environments, AI-powered subject tracking to improve autonomous flying capabilities. If these leaks hold, the DJI Mini 5 Pro could be a significant upgrade for drone enthusiasts and professional videographers. DJI Osmo Pocket 4. Handheld cinematic innovation. In addition to drones, DJI is also rumored to be working on the Osmo Pocket 4, a compact camera designed for vloggers, travelers, and content creators. Expected upgrades include larger 1-inch CMOS sensor for superior image quality, 4K 240 frames per second slow motion recording for cinematic footage, improved autofocus system with phase detection and eye tracking, enhanced Active Track 7.0 for smooth subject tracking. The Osmo Pocket 4 aims to deliver professional-grade performance in a portable form factor, making it an essential tool for filmmakers on the go. Final thoughts. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most advanced consumer drones ever released. With its triple camera system, extended flight time, and intelligent obstacle detection, this drone is set to revolutionize aerial cinematography. Whether you're a professional filmmaker, drone enthusiast, or someone looking to invest in a high-quality aerial photography tool, the Mavic 4 Pro is worth keeping an eye on. What are your thoughts on the DJI Mavic 4 Pro? Be sure to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and stay tuned for more updates on the latest in drone and camera technology.